In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add friends here on Clash Royale. It is super simple to do, but if you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the Clash Royale app, and keep in mind this is going to work on an iPhone, Android, or really any device that you're playing on. Whenever the game does finish loading for you, you're going to be on the main menu, and up in the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see a little like people or person icon. Go ahead and select that, and this is going to be your social menu. From here, you actually have a few different ways to add friends. The easiest method by far is to just hit invite a friend, and it's going to pull up with a page that looks like this. Just copy whatever invite link it is and send it to whoever it is you want to add. Once they open up that link, they'll be able to add you instantly. And you can also add friends using your supercell ID or your player ID. Just tap on your profile picture just like so, and you'll see that ID right here. From here, just go ahead and, have whoever it is type in your supercell ID, or you type in their supercell ID, and then it's going to send them a friend request, which will appear up in the social section, in the inbox section. You simply just need to accept that, and you guys will be good together. You can play matches together, join the same clan, and even interact in game, but it really is as simple as that. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.